haven't painted a portrait in a while, I feel like, and today I was in the mood to paint an expressive kind of portrait in acrylic paint. If you like more figurative, more realistic portraits, you can watch this video. I'll link it at the end if you're curious, you want to watch it. But today I want to paint something a little bit more exploded, a bit more abstract, like figurative, as in, you know, it's a portrait, but not necessarily focusing on rendering something realistically. I'm naturally drawn to more expressive and weird types of portraits. I don't know why. I just like it. In the past, I've done a lot of them using charcoal. I like how spontaneous and expressive I can get with charcoal. It's very direct. There's no mixing colors or any of that stuff. So that's why I think I would do them in charcoal, just because I could do a bunch of them and experiment a lot. Today though, I'm gonna try to do it with acrylic paints. It'll be a self-portrait. I'll show you the reference image here. As I've said, I'm not gonna stick to it realistically. And the reason I like doing portraits is because I'm not afraid to mess up and make the portrait look ugly and really weird. If it was someone else, like my mom or whoever, I would be more self-conscious of the result. When it's me, I don't care. I can go wild and I don't mind. So I know what my reference is, but I don't know exactly how I want to render it, as in the color scheme or any of that stuff. I just have one speck of an idea and I don't know how it's gonna go. So you might see me go back and forth and redoing certain bits because I don't have a preconceived notion of color schemes or skin textures and things like that. It's purely an experiment. I'm all done. It took longer than expected. There's a big old mess on my desk. A big old mess. As I said, I didn't have any expectations going in. My basic idea was to have the black hair with the white speckles. But aside from that, I didn't know what I was gonna do as far as skin or color scheme. I like the black hair with the speckles. I'm not sure about these little colors in the hair. I'm not super sure about the color palette of the skin tone. I don't know if that was the right choice. I like how I did the mouth. I like how it came out very painterly and expressive. And the eyes, I feel maybe I put in a bit too many details. I think I would have liked them more spontaneous, kind of messy like this, as opposed to having a lot of details. I'm not sure. It might be a bit too early to judge. As usual, because I just finished it, I have trouble judging it. I don't know if I love it, if there's bits of it that I don't like. I'm gonna have to let it sit and kind of gel, and that will let me know if I want to change some things or if I like it the way it is. If you like these types of portraits, like more expressive and non-traditional, give me a like, because I'd like to know if I'm the only one that likes them or not. If you'd like more inspiration, you can watch this one next, and I'll see you in just a few days for another one. Thanks for watching. Bye.